out here in all this mess. Evie and I.
Hi guys.
We're doing a little cleanup out here, organizing this area. So we can at least sit out here and relax. Some of the stuff we can't put close to the ground because of the groundhog. We got to be real careful of that dude. But that's not what I'm here for. I want to show you the squash. Just the other day, maybe 2 days ago, it didn't look like this. But look at these right here. That's crazy. Now we had one that just didn't get pollinated correctly. That's this one right here. This so far is the biggest one, and we got 2, 3, 4 more coming right there. I'm gonna honestly say this is probably the best squash plant I've ever had. I believe this is, no lie, either 1 or 2 plants. I am not sure. But there's the squash here. A bunch of flowers. I don't see any more squash out here. Got the guard dog. You're doing a good job, buddy. All right. You know, the crazy thing about it, I bought these beds to keep the groundhog out, but there's evidence he's been in here. All the leaves are gone. This is kohlrabi. All the leaves are gone. These leaves got nibbled on. So it is jumping up here to snack, probably when it knows we're not looking. But yeah, this is just a short little video. I just wanted to show everyone this. All right, signing off.
2,000 years later.
Hey, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here. Got my lovely camera person. Today what I'm doing is I'm showing, this is my zucchini, and it's a squash plant. It's actually this is 2 plants right here. And to be honest, this is the best that I've ever done. I've never had zucchini or squash grow this prolific. I mean, this is just crazy. Look at this leaf right here. Look at the size. Look how healthy the leaves look. And it wasn't until just recently this week where some of the leaves started wilting off like this, getting disease. But overall, I mean, just look at this tree. Got a gray zucchini right here. So far I pulled 3 squash plants off of here, the squash fruits. If you can get down here, you can see this one.
Wow.
This is actually huge.
Wonderful.
Just about a week ago, it was roughly about this big. And there was 3 attached to it, so I took the largest size. Then I waited like a week or so, and I took the next largest size, which was bigger than this. This was the baby, of course. And then over here, I noticed that I can get down in here. I have a huge one down in here. I think I'm going to go ahead and pluck this. I'm not sure how large these get. You know, and to be honest, I don't even know the name of this type of squash, but we've had it for dinner, diced up into, I think we had soup, and we had it in rice. So as I'm looking around, I thought I saw another one coming. Here's one right here. This one right here will be fruiting soon. Looking around, got a little baby one right here coming. As soon as the flowers open, got one here and another one here. Now remember, this is just one seed, one plant. That, let's see, today's date is July 19th. And I put this plant in the ground at the beginning of June. And look at the growth. This is crazy. But you know what? I'm gonna attribute it to the soil. The soil that I got is called Leaf Pro. And trust me, I have it in all 4 bins. I'm definitely gonna order some more next year because this stuff is just fantastic. You can see some of the other stuff over there is kind of beat up because it is too hot for lettuce. So the lettuce is on its way out, so I will be repurposing some of the stuff in the other gardens and putting the seeds for the fall out soon. But I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at all. I'm definitely going to, where's my knife? Definitely going to go ahead and get these out of here. Look at that. That is crazy. Go ahead and get this one out of here. Walking around the corn. And definitely gonna get this one out of here. Whew.
Rich.
There we have it. Dice these up, put them in the freezer, maybe donate some to a friend. But here we go. This is the spoils of the harvest right here. And this tree is still producing. So this is my screenshot, my thumbnail.
Yeah.
Hold on a sec. Here's my thumbnail. All right.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.